Let me tell you, this was an attempted repair, which ultimately failed because I don't think these devices are made to be repaired. Because this is a square reader dating back about over 5 years. It's a first generation reader, and I hadn't used it in a while. But when one of my kids needed a point of sale device, I remembered I had this one laying around. Point of sale, or POS devices, are used for simple transactions. You make a sale, the buyer either inserts their card, they can swipe in some cases, or taps their payment method, now more commonly their phone, and the transaction is handled via Bluetooth from the reader to your smartphone, which then transmits the transaction to Block. That's Square's parent company, of course, for a fee. More sophisticated versions of this reader are common in many places. You'll see them in small boutiques, in coffee shops, in 8 countries or so. So I reinstalled the app on my phone and recharged the reader, only to be told that the reader is damaged and I should buy a new one. Square lists these on their website for $70 Canadian. Best Buy, at this time, $40 for some reason. I tried a couple of workarounds, but eventually, since this one was useless, I decided to see what's inside. Doing so requires a lot of prodding and spudgering. It's really not designed to be opened and repaired. There's even a mention that Square readers include anti-tampering circuitry and cryptographic self-destruction, even going as far as being wrapped in a microscopic, pressurized conductive mesh or matrix line pattern. I'm not sure about that. Or maybe it's only on higher level readers, because all I saw in this one was lots of really sticky glue. So there's a 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, lots of very, very small circuitry, a card slot, but also 2 very, very small, very, very discharged cell batteries. I replaced those hoping to get the reader going again. But the app still detected the reader as damaged, and I should order a new one. But I found I could still connect via Bluetooth. I'm not hoping to revive this reader, and it's not really a necessity anymore since our smartphones can now handle the same transactions without the need of an external reader. Still, it would be nice knowing that there's a way to replace these small batteries and keep the reader going, because the only alternative at this time, if you really, really need one of these, is to buy a new one. And unfortunately, sending the old one to landfill or possibly recycling in some places. So does anyone have a hack, a fix, or a suggestion for this?